Hi friends, thanks so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Alyssa. I know it's been a while, for me at least, since I last posted, but life has just been so crazy busy lately. But I'm happy to be back here to share another project with you all. So this one here is a mini album using some 6x6 paper, and then I also included some vellum, as you can kind of see there. So it has lots of layers, and this is in, I guess, more of a summer theme or an ocean theme. I did use my Park Lane paper pad here, which actually, I don't even know what this is called, but obviously this was a Joann's find. And this is 6x8 paper, but I did cut it down to 6x6. So I'll be using that today as well. But you can see my cover here. I just have a big seashell sticker, a starfish, and then Meet Me by the Sea. And I added some trim down the side here on this first little pocket flap. There's just a journaling card in there with a fish sticker. And we'll open that up, and I just love this mermaid paper. I'm obsessed with mermaids. And we have this fun little vellum page. So I just have some notes there, another fish sticker, a jellyfish there. And then here we have a vellum pocket, and I added one of these rub-on transfers from the Dollar Tree to the corner there. And I just added this card that says Dream Big. There's the beautiful mermaid paper again. And then I just have a few more pages in the back here with some bubble paper. So just some extra little writing spots. And then Life is Beautiful, which is just washi taped on, and then one little side pocket in the back with another jellyfish journaling card there. So cute little summer mini album. It's pretty much like a 4x6 size if you count the whole entire thing. So you could put like a 4x6 photo on one page or on both sides, whatever you want to do, or just do something like this. And it's a fun way to use up some 6x6 paper. So go ahead and grab your paper and we can create one of these together. To start off, you're just going to need 2 sheets of 6x6 paper, and I'm using single-sided paper, so those are my 2 prints there. I'm basically going to be holding one with the pattern side up and then one with the blank side up. And I'm just going to be scoring at 4. So this one here, I'm just going to hold at the 6-inch side, and I'm going to score at 4. And so this is pretty much going to be on the inside of my album. And I'm going to fold this piece over like that. And I'll take my other 6x6, again, put that one on the opposite side, so the blank side. And I'm going to score this one at 4 as well. If you have a print going a certain direction, just make sure that that's going the correct way. And then we'll just fold that little flap over as well for this one. And I'm basically doing that because I'm going to be just putting this blue paper like that. And then this is going to create that side pocket in the very front. So really good for single-sided paper. And then that's just going to be the back of the album. So I'm going to glue these 2 sheets together. See how we just kind of put the blue paper inside of this purple paper there. So I'm going to just glue these 2 smaller flaps together to start. And of course, since this is a pocket, we're just going to glue our 3 edges. And then just attach blank side to blank side here. And if there's any kind of overhang, don't worry about that, because obviously you can just cut that off at the end. But there's our little side pocket. And then, of course, you open it up and we'll have these 2 extra little pages as well. So there is that part. Now let's move on to the vellum piece, or you can just grab another 6x6 paper with a pattern on it, but I'm going to incorporate some vellum here. So that's also 6x6, and I'm just going to be scoring that at 2.5. Like so, and then I'll just fold that over. So this smaller, did I even fold that on the fold line? No, I didn't. Can you see that? Like, hello? It's so dark and dreary today, I can't even see, even with the lights on. All right, well, that's fine. So anyway, the smaller section here is what's going to be our vellum pocket on the inside. So I'm basically just going to be gluing this here to create that side pocket on the inside. So I'll flip that over and then glue my 3 edges again. I also feel like I'm just so out of it because I really haven't been crafting all that much, just because I haven't had time to. All right, so this piece we're going to stick over here. But yeah, this album took me like 2 weeks to even complete. But it's a really quick project and easy. It's just, I know some of you know that I just had a baby who's now 3 months old. And so I am busy with him and then my daughter too. Okay, so there's the fun vellum layer. So this just becomes that vellum page, right? And then we have a fun vellum pocket. Now, if you wanted to, you could glue these 2 pieces together and make like another side pocket or a top loading pocket or something like that. But I did want to have a few extra pages. So I'm just going to be covering up these blank sides here. So that's it for the vellum. And for these pages, you're just going to need 2 4x6 papers. Or like I said, you can literally just glue a 4x6 photo down here and that's all you're going to have to do, right? So here are my 2 4x6 papers. And now for this side, you could go ahead and create another pocket somewhere, but I think I'm just going to glue this piece down completely just to cover up that blank space. All right, and then this one here, I'm actually gonna turn into a side pocket. So I'm gonna do a little notch on the side. And then glue my 3 edges again for this pocket page. And pop that right on. I feel like I cut these a little bit less than 4 inches across, just so they would fit perfectly, because you can kind of see like the middle white part here, but that's okay. All right, so that's it for the album. How fun is that? And then we can go ahead and decorate. So I did go ahead and pick out some pieces. Again, I'll probably do Meet Me by the Sea for my cover. And maybe I'll stick it down here. By my cover, I mean like the flap there. So we'll just do that. Actually, before I glue that down, my insert for that side pocket is this little journaling card with another cute little fish sticker. So let me see just how that looks first. We got the fish down there, so maybe I'll put Meet Me by the Sea up here. Kind of put it hanging off of the pocket like that. All right, we'll open that up and I have that vellum page there. So I'm going to put thoughts for the day, this little piece that I made, somewhere on here. Maybe I'll add a sticker or something as well. I have these, which I purchased at Dollar Tree. Maybe I'll do another jellyfish. Let's see. Will that work actually? Will this still fit somewhere? Yeah, I could just stick it up there, I guess. Okay, this I'm gonna just use some double-sided tape to attach that. And moving right along, for this vellum pocket, maybe I'll grab another one of these rub-on transfers and put that on my vellum pocket. Oh, whoops. Took the wrong part. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, maybe I'll just stick it in the corner here. I don't know, sometimes I just find it easier to use my nail for these rub-on transfers. Okay, and I have a journaling card here that says dream. Oh, but I did put a rub-on transfer there, and then a seashell sticker. That's fine. I'll kind of just stick it up there like that. All right. My last few pages here, on this side at least, I'm going to stick these two pieces. I thought maybe I would write like a caption or a date or a title and then just journal about something down there. So this paper is kind of thin here, so I'm just going to use some double-sided tape again to attach that. This one I can just glue. Up top there, got my fun little stickers. And then my last page over here, I'm going to add, this is just something I put together with my scraps. Live your life with all the beautiful mermaids. So, I'm actually thinking I might turn this into a pocket. So I'm just going to glue the three edges there and kind of just stick that down here. And then maybe I'll just stick some little journaling cards in here. Or some cute little tags would be nice. And then my side pocket will just hold another simple little journaling card with another fish. And that's going to be my cute little layered mini album there. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this fun little tutorial to help use up some more 6x6 paper. And I hope that you guys are all doing well. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing. But other than that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't already for more crafty fun and inspiration. I will see you all soon in my next video, so happy crafting and huge hugs!